we're watching this dog. Our dog. Hey, you good? Yeah, you're good. Plus, I got kitchen render going, but I wanted to show you guys something I bought. You back up there, Turd Blossom? Now, I've cut it open, but I ain't opened it yet and inspected it. So let's have a little glance here. With winter being Midwest, every time I get in my truck, you guys might know about this, every time I get in the truck, low tire. So then I burn down to Speedway or wherever, Lowe's, fill it up. So I thought the other day, they got to make a cordless tire filler, right? And sure enough, they do. $70 for this thing. But it had crazy good reviews. And I'm very happy about it because a lot of people are saying they use it for their trucks and RVs. It supposedly goes up to 160 PSI. Probably won't put that much in the truck tires, the truck tires, road bike, cordless, removable lithium-ion battery. That was cool. Maximum pressure up to 160. It's an AstroAI. I bought it on the Amazon from Mr. Bezos. And crack this open, see what we got. Oh, it's got a case too. Perfect, dude. I'm just gonna hurl this stuff into the back of my truck. Blah. I can actually pretend like I have some sanity. Sorry, I'm trying to do this one-handed. We all know I'm not ambidextrous. I know what that means, by the way. Don't worry about it. Here we go. Let's see some specs on this. Model, whatever, China. Battery, 18 volt, 2 amp hours. That's not bad. Maximum voltage of the battery, 20. Working voltage, who cares? Maximum power, 150 watts. Maximum working pressure, 160. 20 continuous minutes of operation. That's not bad. Yeah, great. No one cares. Let's take a little gander inside here. Sure, I'm making a lot of noise. You got long nails. Your owner needs to give them a trim. Boom. Oh, thank you for your purchase. You are unbelievably welcome. Oh, we got a fuse and manual. Holy cow, it's a DeWalt. We got a black and yellow. Oh, dang, man. This is pretty not too bad. Sure as crap hope I have. Okay, cool. So we got a little Velcro strap here. It's pretty heavy, to be honest. Everything's got a Velcro strap. I assume that's the pressure gauge, the pew pew activator. We got a different stuff. I don't know, I should probably read the directions. Whatever, lame. I believe this is the batisserie. Heck yeah. Oh my gosh, I even got the zero. Oh, we got 3 bars. What's under here? USB. Dang, sweet. So what I can do is plug my USB drive into it and have continuous power. Genius. 2 amp hour. Pretty cool stuff. We'll set that there for meow. What's this bad boy, meow? Oh yeah, so this slides onto it and then has your cigarette lighter, whatever, it's jammed in there. Yeah, boy. Yeah, there it is. So you can run this if the battery dies. Very strong if. So you can run this when the battery dies. And then last and absolutely least is the charger. So it's not too bad. All that comes in this here bag. A nice convenient little carrying size. Let's turn this bad boy on. Alright, it's the next day. I'm going to go test this thing out. Gonna let this get some magic sparkle juice before I go train legs. Then we'll try this out. I probably won't talk when this is going because it's very loud. We'll get to that later. But it does hold the last setting you put in, so that's cool. So, this is always the tire in question. I'm sure it's going to be real low. Let's see if I can do this one-handed. Stupid neighbor's dog. I'll give you something to bark about here in a sec. Okay. So it goes on. Yeah, 23 PSI. So, just going to click this and let it fill up and silence this because it's real loud. And there you have it. Alright, so I'm back from the gym. Freaking destroyed legs today, so here's to being able to not walk tomorrow. So light switch from green, or I'm sorry, from red to green. Which should mean, boom, Iron Man status, 4 bars. So, plugged it in here. It's weird it plugs in the top, but it's whatever. So I'm going to get this back in Old Faithful over here and get some tires aired up, and then we'll see. I have no need to, but I want to test this, see how this works. This cord's super long, so we'll try that as well. We got the gun plugged in. Sorry about all my jiu-jitsu gis. There are frickin' 8,000 of these things in here. Plugged in, truck is running. And it's just kind of like a battery that plugs into the outlet in here. The cord is pretty long. Run this back here. Stand this up. This is so freaking hard with one hand. And there you have it. Another thing, the battery has a flap with a USB behind it, and I'm currently charging my phone. So it's a cool little feature they could have removed or not added, if you will, that I could see being pretty helpful. You know, maybe in a severe emergency case, phone's almost dead. You got this, and you got this, and you'd rather charge your phone and air up a tire or something. So that is very cool. I hope all that helped. Here's just a few pros and cons for you guys. See what you guys think. So pros, it's cordless air for your tire. It's a huge pro. It's like the biggest pro. What's not to love? You know, if you're out in the boonies somewhere, your truck tire's running low, camper tire, whatever, out, say you like to ride bikes on long trails, it's cordless air charging. It's the size, again, it's not too big. Let's see here. I lost my impact already. Here it is. So it's about the same size as a DeWalt Impact. Pretty close. To be honest, it feels like almost the exact same weight with one of the little batteries. So size is a huge thing. One of the biggest pros is this back. You can just set it and walk away. It's super nice. It tells you at the bottom what PSI you're currently at, and that's your target PSI. You can go up and down. Another pro is it has a light up front, I guess I just noticed, but it remembers your last setting that you want, so you're not, setting this over and over. Another pro, it comes with this, just in case your battery's dead. You can run it off your car. It's super handy to have. Some cons, some people might not like the noise it puts off. You can't really be running this at a campground at night, but you shouldn't be running any compressor at night at a campground. It's not too bad, but it's not too not bad. Some people might be a little turned off by the price. I think I bought it for $68. If you're used to throwing $2 into the quick air at your local gas station, you could say, well, $68, $70, it's kind of expensive. But, we're all at different stages and spending in life. So another pro, it comes with a case. Super handy to have it all in one. The battery charges pretty quickly. It went from completely dead to full 4 bars in about I don't know. I plugged it in before I left for the gym. I came back an hour, 20 minutes later. It was fully charged. Yeah, I think that's it. So if you guys want to pick one of these up, again, the link is down in the description. I bought it off Amazon. Took 2 days to get here. Super happy with it. I'm going to bundle it all back up and just chuck it in the truck for a rainy day. So thanks for watching.